All right, so we've added the chemicals correctly. If you're watching this, I'm guessing you were either absent or didn't have the homework done. But here is the lab. So we go ahead and take the phenol red, go ahead and dump it over. And we can go ahead and mix the chemicals. Hopefully you're noticing some things and hearing some things as well that lets you know that there's evidence that there's a chemical reaction happening. If you were to feel the bottom of the bag here, you would feel that it is quite warm. Another piece of evidence that a chemical reaction is happening. You can see something is happening to the bag as well. When you were to clean this up, what you would notice is that you also do have a fine white powder that's been created that was not one of the original powders that you started with. It's actually a new substance, calcium carbonate. So that is a solid that's been formed. You should know what that is as well, and that's another piece of evidence. Thank you for watching. You're now going to want to go ahead and make sure you answered all of the questions in the lab notebook. Go through it, answer each of the questions, make sure you're putting it in detail, make sure you're explaining your reasoning from what you saw in the lab. When you're done with that and you get to the question that asks about making the prediction, if you leave out one of the chemicals, please go ahead and do that. If you do finish that at that point, you may be able to show that teacher, you may be able to go ahead and join another group to do and actually see that part of the lab if there's any group still doing it. If not, next time, please make sure you actually do your homework. Thanks. Do your homework.